Hello viewers, I am Greeshmitha. Today in this video we are talking about statistical independence of a random variable. Firstly, let us consider two random variables x and y with events defined as a and b. A is defined as x less than or equals to x and b is defined as y less than or equals to y. This small x and this small y are two real numbers. Now, a random variable said to be a statistical independent if the joint probability is equals to the product of individual probability. We know that joint probability mathematically written as p of x less than or equals to x intersection y less than or equals to y, and it is equals to the product of individual properties. So this is the probability of A event and this is the probability of B event. Then these two random variables x and y are said to be statistically independent. Now we know that joint distribution function is defined as f of x comma y is equals to f of x into f of y, and also joint density function is defined as this. Now the conditional distribution function for independent random variables is written as, we discussed conditional distribution function previously. The mathematical formula is f of x by y less than or equals to y, which is the condition, is written as f of x by y. So this we can write of f of x of x comma y. Previously we discussed f of x comma y is written as product of fx of x into fx of fy of y. So here we can write fxy x comma y as fx of x into fy of y, and we get fx of x. This is the marginal distribution function of x. And similarly, we can write for the random variable y and we will get a marginal distribution function of y. This is for distribution functions. Coming to the conditional density functions for two independent random variables defined as the marginal density function of x and the marginal density of y as discussed earlier. So here this principle can be applicable to any number of random variables for which those random variables should be statistical independent. Now what we discussed here is, so the two random variables x and y are statistically independent if and only if their joint distribution or density functions is the product of their marginal distribution or density functions. Thank you.